In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a conversation with Grok Ai. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, say hello, and guide it to give you helpful, focused answers. First, head to grok.com in your web browser. This is the home base for Grok AI. Once the page loads, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar that holds your main navigation. That's where you'll find everything you need to begin. Next, click on Chat in that left sidebar. This opens the conversation view, where you'll spend most of your time interacting with Grok. Front and center, you'll notice a chat box, usually along the bottom of the page. Click into that box so it's active and ready for your message. To get started, keep it simple. A friendly greeting is perfect. Type, "Hi Grok." A short, clear opener helps you confirm that everything's working and lets Grok introduce itself to you. Once you've typed your greeting, press enter to send it. You should see Grok respond almost instantly. This quick back and forth is the core of the experience. If you don't see a reply right away, give it a moment. Responses typically appear quickly. When the message appears, read it and get a feel for the tone and the way Grok structures its answers. Now, for better conversations and more useful results, be specific with what you want. Instead of staying in small talk, move to a focused request. For example, type, "Explain Grok 3 in simple terms for beginners." This gives Grok a clear topic, an audience level, and an instruction to keep things easy to understand. Press enter again and let Grok do the heavy lifting. As you review the response, remember this guiding principle. The more specific your request, the better the answer. If you have a goal, include it. If you want a certain style, such as a short overview or a step-by-step explanation, say that. If you need a particular level of detail, mention it. You're not adding extra steps, you're just sharpening the prompt so Grok knows exactly how to help. A few quick tips as you continue: keep your prompts clear and concise, add context that matters to you, and avoid sharing any sensitive personal information. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine your wording and try again. Grok will adapt to your direction and improve with each clarification. That's all you need to start a conversation with Grok AI. Open the site, click chat, say hello, press enter, and then steer the dialogue with specific, well-phrased prompts. Happy chatting!